So what we're doing on this guy is obviously older model BMW, and we're just kind of clean up all the dents around it, get this thing pristine. I mean, dude, the paint on this thing is immaculate. Everything on this BMW is, honestly, it's incredible to see. I mean, it's over 20 years old, and it looks great. So with that though, we have the added, we have to take these things apart to get certain dents, and these plastic gets brittle over time. So we're trying our best to not ruin any of the plastic. There's things that I think I do so have you ever done anything ironically? Like my buddy and I used to say, oh, that's dope.
He need to leave that dope alone.
You haven't, so
He need to leave that dope alone.
We would say that like as a joke, like making fun of the kids that said it. And then next thing you know, we said it so ironically all the time that we just started saying it. And it's kind of silly, like, oh, that's dope. It's like, who am I? And I think there was just like my friend and I jokingly, like when we were young, anytime we had to like lift something or do anything, we were like, ugh, like make old man noises.
Yeah.
And now it's just, you just do it. So it's like anytime I'm living, like, ugh, I'm like, I don't need to do that. It's almost like the women that play tennis. Women's professional tennis. Like women's tennis, women's soccer, like, it's good.
What do you mean?
And women's volleyball. But dude, you watch them and they're like, and I'm just kind of like, is it, like, do y'all need the grunting? I think you could like take apart almost half a car with a 10 millimeter, pretty much. Over there, we'll put heat on that. This is the big one that we're really gonna have some fun with.
And that's good access though there.
Yes and no. So if you come in here, I don't know if you can get in here, you're gonna see that we can get to it back here, but we have a lot of these mechanisms in the way. We want to stay clear of this. All right. And because it seems to be a vacuum, I'm not gonna I don't want to remove anything that's vacuum related. Don't want to ruin any of those kind of systems. So I'm gonna be working around that. Couple layers of protection there. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna be figuring out what's gonna be our best way to get some good leverage.
Wait, what is it?
It's wire for a BMW CD player.
What?
That's right, dude.
This is your Kirk Franklin CDs.
Your CC Winans. Straight trash. This is Tesla tape. This is Mercedes-Benz wiring harness tape, pretty much. You cannot tear it. It does not tear. You have to cut it in order to come off. Very resilient. So I'll take it, do a wrap or two like this. And then what I do is I take this and I fold it to get that tip, and then get that folded down. Gosh, dog it. What that does is makes the tip a little bit softer, just a little bit. So we're at like 90-95% on that.
That looks pretty damn good.
So, but we're getting to the point where I'm really having to crank on this metal to get what's left to move. And I just don't know if the juice is worth the squeeze with 20-year-old paint. I think if you can live with this little bitty, it's definitely like right in here especially. But just to put this up.
Honestly, it's
that I'm happy with that.
Okay, cool.
Yep.
Yeah, I don't know. I think like this right here. I mean,
Yeah.
no one's gonna. We know it's there.
Right.
But
it's
Yeah, like I said, with this, I like to err on the side of caution
Yeah.
with 20-plus-year-old people.
Nope. No, I'm happy with that.
Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna move forward. I just wanted to, before I did that, make sure. Booyakasha! Did you ever notice the FedEx logo has an arrow in it?
You know, everyone says that, but I cannot see it.
That's concerning. Booyakasha!